Hello guys, welcome you all in today's video. So today we'll talk about the CLAT 2022. Now guys, stay tuned with me throughout this video because we'll talk about the most important parameters such as the eligibility criteria, what will be the paper pattern, what should be the cutoff, the selection process and the top colleges who accept the CLAT score. So guys, you are well aware about that. NLUs are accepting the CLAT score, but there are some private colleges who also accept the CLAT score. So let's move further, and before moving, Manoeuvre has launched the batches for all law entrance exams such as MS Law CET 3 years and 5 years program, CLAT, DULLB, BHU Law, SLAT, AILET or Christ University entrance test and all other entrance exams for 2022 and 23. So guys, if you want a preparation, you can interact live with us where you will get books, you will learn various shortcut tricks, all doubt class will be solved, you will get access for the recorded videos, topic tests, mock tests, WhatsApp group will be made. And throughout this period, you will solve around 10,000 plus questions. So a lot of data for the practice purpose, guys. And you will also get the mentorship by our exam mentors. So guys, what are you waiting for? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581455 or you can visit our website manoeuvre.com/lawentrance. So let's move to the main topic. So let's talk about the history of legal education in India. So we will get some points why CLAT comes in existence and why there is requirement of NLUs in India. Okay guys, so let's talk about the legal education reforms. So these are first generation reforms if you are aware about it, and the second generation reform. So in 1960s to 85, there is a great requirement of the legal institute in India. So to spread the awareness around the legal education in India, there is a need for the particular institutes which should provide the legal studies, and that's why in the first generation reforms, these all are the objectives are included. LLB should be postgraduate degree. Second one, to expand the legal institutes in private sectors, to add the core curriculum and also to add mandatory subjects for the legal studies, and to make 1 year compulsory apprenticeship with the senior advocate. It is very eligible post the LLB degree for the licensing and for the practice purpose. So if you want to legally practice, then guys, it is very necessary you should have 1 year experience after LLB, and that is also with the senior advocate. So these all are the criteria included in the first generation reforms. Thereafter, in the first generation reforms, although legal education expanded greatly, okay, number of institutes are established and developed, okay, but with this the quality was diluted uncontrollably. So guys, there is a disbalance between the quality of education and the number of institutes. That's why it is very necessary to implement the second generation reforms which will imperative the access and the quality of the legal education in India. Even though the BCI, the Bar Council of India, was inspecting and also providing the licensing to the institutions, but though it had a marginally impact on the standards, and that's why the second generation reforms, it includes these objectives. The LLB should be post higher secondary school course. That means here the eligibility criteria should be graduate, okay, 3 years degree. Thereafter you can pursue the LLB. Now here if you want to pursue the LLB, okay, then post higher secondary school course. So that means integrated program is launched. Okay, you can take admission after 12th standard. After introduction of law related social science subjects in it, and the most important one, the implement of the methods of teaching and the evaluation. So thereafter the BCI launched the 5 years program in 1982, and lot of universities, but due to the resistance of lot of universities, okay, so 5 years program is cancelled. The BCI is again decided it will provide 3 years program and the 5 years program, but by its choice. Okay, which institute should be offered 3 years program or 5 years program, it completely depends on the Bar Council of India. So that's why the NLUs comes into the existence, and the National Law School of India University was established in Bangalore in 1987. So it is NLU Bangalore, and all these NLUs were created on the pattern of IITs and IIMs. जैसे IIT इंजीनियरिंग को बढ़ावा दिया है, सेम IIM ने मैनेजमेंट को बढ़ावा दिया है. On the same pattern BCI ने भी ये सोचा कि NLUs अगर हम नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटीज अगर बनाएंगे, that will also improve the quality of legal education in India. So NLUs also increase the quality of legal education in India, and in fact India is the only country in the world which has the university for legal educations or legal disciplines alone. So guys, today there are 23 NLUs, and out of which 22 are accept the CLAT score, and the one NLU Delhi having its own entrance exam. Okay guys, although 1987 to 2007 there are 7 different NLUs जो अपनी एग्जाम खुद कंडक्ट करती थी एज पर दिल्ली. Okay guys, now we'll talk about the CLAT, the Common Law Admission Test. First CLAT was conducted in 2008, which was MCQ based and offline. So in 2015, other 7 NLUs participated and CLAT made online mode. So previously CLAT was conducted by the each particular NLUs. So rotation wise NLUs conduct करती थी CLAT exam, and thereafter consortium of law established. It is conducted by the executive committee of the consortium. So now there are 22 NLUs who accept the CLAT score. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. What the qualification should needed. Okay guys, candidate should be passed 10+2 or equivalent examination with minimum 45% marks for general, OBC, PWD category candidate and 40% in case of SC and ST category. So those candidates who are appearing the qualifying examination, that means those candidates are in 12th standard, they can also apply. There is no age bar with respect to age criteria. Now we'll talk about the paper pattern, very important one. Total questions are 150, time duration is 2 hours, that is 120 minutes, and exam mode is completely online. These all are the sections. English language 28 to 32 questions, that means 20%. General knowledge and current affairs 35 to 39 questions, that means 25% weightage of the paper. Legal reasoning again 35 to 39 questions. Logical reasoning 28 to 32 questions, and quantitative technique 13 to 17 questions. So overall 150 questions. Okay, and these all are the weightage for each particular section. Now it also includes the negative marking system. For each correct answer you will get 1 mark, while for each incorrect answer you will lose 0.25 marks. These all are the exam activities guys. Registration process last week of December each year started. Admit card in the second week of April, and exam date the first week of May. Now out of 150, how much you score to enter into the top NLUs? So guys, out of 150 you have to score around 120 plus mark. Okay guys, and as competition going each year tougher, you have to target safe score of 130 plus. Now let's talk about the selection process criteria. So it also acts through common admission procedure, which is known as the counseling process. Now once CLAT examination conducted, thereafter the authority will make the first provisional merit list, and depend on that all candidates will register in the counseling process. Okay, they will register themselves, will create their profile and will upload all the documents there, and they have to choose the preferences and log the same. Once they will log the preferences, authority will release the seat allotment on the basis of merit and the seat availability in that particular NLUs. And thereafter, one student will accept the seat, he or she have to pay the seat acceptance fees there. And if he not got the seat, then he or she can participate in the second round, that is subsequent round. So there are 3 rounds of counseling. Now let's talk about the top NLUs. So these are NLU Bangalore, Nalsar, Bhopal, Kolkata, Jodhpur, Raipur, Gandhinagar, Lucknow, Odisha, Assam, Ranchi, Patna, Visakhapatnam, Tiruchirappalli, Shimla, Jabalpur, Haryana, Punjab is there, Kochi, Mumbai, Nagpur and Aurangabad. These 3 are Maharashtra based NLU. Okay guys, now if you want a cutoff detail and the seat availability details, I already made the video on the same, so you can watch the video on the YouTube. If you want a preparation for it, you can join live classes, classroom preparations, books, mock, GD, VAT or interview, or the mentorship programs. Guys, call on these all respective numbers, or you can also follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and you can also join our Telegram group. So guys, all link I mentioned in the description, kindly check those links, and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel, Manoeuvre Law Entrance. So this is all from today's video guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and share it to all of your friends, so they will also get the benefit from this video. So this is all. Thank you very much. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.